So it's been 70 days since I broke my hip, and as soon as I could get around, I was on that recumbent bike right there. So now I can ride whenever I want to until I can get on the bike next to me. It seemed like this day would never come, but now I'm able to lift my leg up, ride a normal bike, and get ready to get back out there. And let me tell you, it feels so good. So what really enabled me to have such a quick recovery? It was the physical therapy, faithfully doing it every day. I would go to the hospital 2 days a week, and they would put me through some exercises. And then when I came home, I would do it every day. And each day, I got a little bit stronger. Oh yes, I did take one day off, and the next day, I felt stiff. So my recommendation is if you have a traumatic injury, like I had, that you do exactly what your physical therapist tells you to do, and don't cut any corners. I thought I would talk about that a little bit because I got a comment from a gentleman by the name of Bobby. The poor guy retired, and 1 month into his retirement, he broke his hip, and he's about 5 days into his recovery. So, Bobby, do what your physical therapist tells you to do, and it'll work out well for you. The words that I've always said mean a lot to me now, and that is, as we get older, if we stop moving, pretty soon we'll stop moving. So my intent is to get back out there, do the rides I want to do. Am I going to do the 422-mile Natchez Trace? Well, not quite yet. We'll see how I feel in the fall. The temperatures will be a little cooler down in Mississippi, in that area, and I may be able to do it yet this year. But I do have a lot of rides planned, a couple of overnighters, and there's a company sending me a nice e-bike I can't wait to test out. And I also have a rack to put the e-bike on with a ramp on it, and you just roll a bike right up, because those things are heavy, aren't they? And also during my recovery, I purchased another Infinity bike seat, the E1X, and I can't wait to try that out and do a video not only on that seat, but Infinity also sent me a surprise, and you'll see that in the review video. So this is a very short video today, but I just wanted to let you know how I'm doing. I really appreciate all the comments and encouragement during my recovery. It has really meant a lot to me, and I thank each and every one of you. So that's it for today, and once again, happy pedaling. No wind today at all.